Is this the chicken king of all recipes? Oh, no, I meant, is this the king of all chicken recipes? You're the breast king ever. You're the breast around. Nothing's ever gonna bring it down.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make jerked thicken chies. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make jerk chicken thighs. You can't do it. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make jerk chicken thighs. Time to get jerked. It doesn't sound right. Let's get to it.
First up,
We're gonna start by making a marinade. A marinade.
a marinade. Yeah, coming again to save the motherfucking day. Yeah. Hey, why don't you relax a little bit?
So we're gonna start the marinade with some habaneros. Just make sure you don't get habaneros.
I need guns. Lots of guns.
I'm gonna do 3 habaneros here. 1, 2, 3. Careful with this. It's very spicy for the everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4. 4 pieces of garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get yourself roughly a 6-inch piece of ginger. That's 6 inches. In you go. It's an average size piece of ginger. Let's get some green onions in here.
Take your skin off for me.
We're gonna use 3 green onions. In. Fun fact, if you put green onions in a burrito, they become rapscallions.
Yeah.
See this on the web all the time. Ooh, yeah. Onion goes in. About 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. Beep. Next up, you're gonna wanna get yourself some brown sugar.
It's been a really rough week.
Uh-oh, looks like he's down sugar.
I've been pretty lonely lately.
Really? But you're so sweet.
Have you tried smiling?
2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Boop. Next up, you're gonna wanna get yourself some ground cinnamon. But if you're like me and you only have a cinnamon stick, I'm gonna show you a little life hack.
Cinnamon Digivolves to
Ground cinnamon.
You couldn't have digivolved onto a plate? Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Boop. 1 tablespoon of salt. Next up, we're gonna use about 4 sprigs of thyme. So you wanna just pinch the branch and then whoop. Yeah. It's a great way to save time. Better than your jokes. About a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Boop, boop, boop. Did you guys hear about the new member of the Spice Girls? We all know Baby Spice and Scary Spice and Ginger Spice, but have you heard of Allspice?
I am the Alpha. I am the Omega. I am the Allspice.
2 teaspoons of allspice. Boop. If you like this video, don't forget to lime and subscribe. Juice of 1 lime. Yeah. Ooh. If you like this video, don't forget to lemon and well, that doesn't really work. Juice of 1 lemon. We're also gonna do a 1/4 cup of vegetables oils and about a 1/4 cup of water, H2O.
Gatorade's better.
Cool, and now we blend. Ooh, that smells good. Did you hear about the chicken that joined the police department? He wanted to be a cop.
I'm gonna need to see some ID.
Uh-oh, it looks like there's a warrant out for my arrest.
I got a code 148, gonna need some assistance.
Chicken thighs. Now pour your marinade on that chicken. Yeah. Now jerk it off. Rub the marinade into all the crevices. So we're gonna let that marinate for about 24 hours, or 5 seconds in movie magic time. Ugh. Movie magic is painful. Let's cook up some chickies. This is exciting. She's got thighs like a truck. Yeah, that's what I want. Let's do our rice. A little bit of olive oil on the rice. Whoop. Bit of shallots. A little bit of parsley. Whoop. That much parsley. Chop up some pickled onions as well. It adds a little crunch. I like it a lot. About 5 pickled onions. Bit of lime zest goes in. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Do a pinch of salt. Whoop. A little Frischel doof. Now mix up all this goodness. Yeah. A little bit of lime zest all over that. A little drizzle of olive oil on top. A little bit of parsley on top, because why not? Now cut to the B-roll of that sexy chicken. Nice. Now cut to the food. I am ready for you. Oh, okay. A little lime juice. I like that. Fuck yeah. A little bit of kick. I love jerk chicken. I love jerk chicken so much. Uh-oh. Don't be a jerk. Try this. Bye, friends. More in my face.